all, good morning to all. Good morning. Okay. Today we will going to perform an experiment related to urine test. So we will taste the urine sample and check out the result, like urine contain albumin protein, urease, nitrogen, etc. So this one is our sample of urine, and we are going to perform urine test in 2 to 3 different stages. The first experiment is performed and observe the result by sodium hypobromide. Name of this reagent?
Sodium hypobromide.
Once again, name of this reagent?
Sodium hypobromide.
Okay. When we take a fresh urine sample and add sodium hypobromide 2 ml, approx 2 ml. What is the quantity of sodium hypobromide? 2 ml. It's give bricks appearance. It's give bricks appearance and color. Then we call that in urine nitrogen is present. What we call? Nitrogen is present. So let's perform the stage 1 practicals by the reagent sodium hypobromide. From which? Sodium hypobromide. Okay. Take a urine sample, everybody, one by one, and perform your result then. So, okay, take a sample. Take a sample. Okay. First time I will explain how you will do. Okay. This sodium hypobromide I will going to add. It means 2 ml, means 2 to 3 drop or 5 drop I will add. Okay. Now heat it gently. It's slightly appearing in a bricks color. Everybody see, red color. And there is a precipitate, white color precipitate. And you've seen that when nitrogen is present, white precipitate is observed. This experiment shows that in the urine sample, nitrogen is present. So take a urine sample and perform. Everybody, take. Take a urine sample, everybody. Take a urine sample. Here also. Adit. After adding hypobromide, sodium hypobromide, you will see in your test tube. You will see that your urine sample slightly appear bricks color. Which color?
Bricks color.
And small precipitate is appear, and this precipitate shows the presence of urea or nitrogen. This precipitate shows the presence of urea and nitrogen. Take a sample in a little quantity, no need to take excess amount, because we have to perform a 2 or 3 experiment. Because we have to perform 2 or 3 experiments. वहाँ पे bottle रखिए. Hey, common slab. You can take from here. Those students need, you have to take from here. 1, 2 to 3. And observe the slide. Everyone, please see and observe. You can see in the down portion there is a white precipitate is appear, and this white precipitate shows that urea is present in the urine sample, and it means nitrogen is confirmed. It means nitrogen is confirmed in our urine. Urea is present, and the urea present shows the nitrogen is confirmed in our urine sample. Everybody seen this white precipitate? See in your test tube. After heating, see in your test tube. In your test tube also. See. Listen, this test tube have clarity vision of white precipitate. White precipitate is appear. Take. This one is the Janvi test, and this one is you. After that, we will going to perform experiment number second related to albumin protein. We are going to perform. Yes. White precipitate हुआ है. नीचे you can see the down portion. Excess amount of urea is available. See white precipitate. White precipitate is appear in your test tube or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody seen?
Yes, sir.
White precipitate is appear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this white precipitate is shows that urea or nitrogen is present in the urine sample. Now we are going to move the next experiment. That experiment shows the albumin protein present in our urine or not. If anybody have excess protein in their urine sample, then they face the problem of uric acid. That's why doctor advises you have to advise proteinous food. Everybody listen this proteinous when any person protein is rises, then doctor is said that you have to avoid food, eat pulses, meat, etc. Because of the uric acid. Because of the uric acid rises. So now we are going to perform albumin protein practicals to confirm. Everybody wash your test tube. Wash your test tube. Wash your test tube. Wash your test tube and open the tap also. Sleep tap open करिएगा. The first stage experiment is completed. Now we are going to perform this second stage experiment. In this experiment, we call the name of experiment is decomposition experiment. What we call the experiment name? Decomposition experiment. In this decomposition experiment, we have to take nitric acid. What we have to take? Nitric acid. And the second is MgSO4 fresh prepared solution. MgSO4 fresh prepared solution. And the second one sulfosuccinylate acid. Sulfosuccinylate acid. Okay. So in decomposition reaction, we have to take three chemicals. How many chemicals? Three chemicals. First one is nitric acid, and the second one is MgSO4, and the third one is sulfosuccinylate acid. Sulfosuccinylate acid. So when we add this chemical and perform the experiment, we confirm that ammonia is present in our urine. What we confirm that? Ammonia. And this experiment is called decomposition test. This experiment is called decomposition test. So once again, everybody take sample in your test tubes. Anybody give me beakers? Bring the distilled water from here. MgSO4. So firstly we will prepare a fresh MgSO4 solution. Okay. And what is the name of MgSO4?
Magnesium sulfate.
Very good. So we will preparing MgSO4 and we have to take MgSO4 plus nitric acid and sulfosulfuric acid, and we confirm that ammonia is present in our urine sample. So this experiment is called